Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As in the previous lecture video, we have discussed that how to manage our website development project files in your computer or in your desktop, as it was a very short video. And in today's lecture video, we will discuss that how to color our website or how to manage the colors on the headings. So let's get started. Okay, so now here we have a question that what is color vocabulary. So basically a color vocabulary, as there is an English vocabulary, an Urdu vocabulary, or a Spanish vocabulary. So there is also a color vocabulary which contains a lot of color, that blue, red, pink, white, etc. A vocabulary means a collection of anything. For example, there is a vocabulary of English. There is a vocabulary of English. So it contains many English vocabulary words. And the color vocabulary means that it contains many colors like pink, white, blue, orange, etc. So in this video we will discuss and we will practice that how to engage or how to apply your colors on your website pages or on your heading. Like for example, this is a heading but it is in black, and if you want to color this in blue, so you will go in the Visual Studio Code. I'll give a quick example of that. Like if I go at the google.com, so here I have a quick example that here is a website with the name Onwards. So here is a website with the name Onwards, and it is totally simple website. Like you can see that no color allowed, 30 create black and white. It's only black and white color, and it has no animations. Like you can see that there is no animations and not at all, only black and white. So now in now era it's very boring and it is not interesting. So CSS do this work that they apply colors on your project. So I'll meet you in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I'm here in the Visual Studio Code, and you can see that I have copy pasted the color vocabulary project file, and that I have given in our WhatsApp community. You have to copy there and paste it here. So the project or the file contains three folder. One is the assist, one is the solution, and one is the index.html. So when we go in the assists, it contains some pictures like the blue, the green, orange, red, and yellow. And when we go at the solution, it contains again a file of assists, and it also contains these types of colors like the blue, green, orange, pink, red, yellow, etc. And when we go in the solution, so here is our solution that we have to write. For example, I will go in the index.html. I have make it easier for you. You will go here at the title. For example, here is the Spanish vocabulary or the English. For example, when we go in the solution, here is the Spanish, but I have changed it. Mine is English vocabulary, and we will change that learn the colors in English, Urdu, Spanish, etc. And I have changed the name of here, that Northern Cardial is in red color, peacock in is blue color, goldfish is in red color, parrot is in green color, and giraffe is in yellow color. So when I run this particular object, so here is the interface that colors, learn the colors in English, that Northern Cardial is in red color, peacock is in blue color, goldfish is in orange color, parrot is in green color, and the giraffe is in yellow color. So these are the colors that we have learned from the color vocabulary, and you have to name here, like for example the Northern Cardial or the parrot or etc, whichever you want to write it here, but you have to not change these height and width. Like the height must be 200 px and the width must be 200 px, both must be 200 px, and you have to simply change its font, like it should be normal, and you can write also that the red color, the blue color is blue, green color is green. Okay, so you have to copy paste all these types of projects or all these types of colors in this particular file. I hope you have learned something new in this topic or in this video, and practice this file again and again till then you have made a particular web page. And I hope you have learned this project or this particular file, that how to color your web pages. And in the next lecture video we'll learn something new and advanced. Till then, I'll see you in the next video.